There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, diva.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. So today we about to slay. As you already know, this is a UNice Amazon lace front wig, which is already pre-everything. She comes with combs and elastic band, and she's already styled and ready to go for you.
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. I've been worrying about my mental health, cause when I'm alone, I keep checking my phone, yeah. Seeing all these people, having someone to lean on, while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
All right, y'all, let's get to styling this bad boy. So I decided to give her a right curved part, because y'all know I always complain about how long my head is, etc., etc. And I do middle parts, but for this color hair, I just felt like I needed to do it as a side part, which is the right side. Now, if I forgot to mention, this unit is 180% in density, 24 inches. She is a pre-everything 7x5 human hair Brazilian body wave lace front. She comes with everything already done, which is bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled, and girl, pre-approved, baby. Do it like it's your bidet. Now, this part right here, girl, listen, I don't even know why I'm real courageous, because I really went in on hot combing my unit without putting any type of melting band to protect my forehead. Now, ladies, take it from me. Make sure you have some type of scarf or your elastic band around your front hairline if you choose to hot comb and press your unit prior to or after you put it on your head. I really feel like it's important to be overly protective, because these hot combs get very, very hot, and don't nobody want to walk around with no type of burn mark, okay? So make sure that you protect your skin while you hot comb. Now, as y'all see, this wig, this lace, this scalp is scalping, it's melting, it's buttery soft. The hair is gorgeous. I love the highlights that they made in this unit. This is one of their newer units, and I feel like the colors are very, very pretty. Color number 27 and 613 highlight on this medium brown, dark brown hair is actually really pretty and very rich. It's kind of giving me like cappuccino, mocha type of vibes, very pretty. Now, as I stated, it is a 7x5. So for those of you who feel like it's not enough parting, you'll definitely be able to part this unit in the circumference. And when you part it, you'll definitely get enough parting as well. Now, just to adhere the unit, I'm gonna be using the Even New York hairspray. Now, I'm not really sure why I keep going back to this. It all depends on your actual body temperature and how the unit will adhere to your head. But I've noticed and actually figured out over the past couple of days, the reason why none of my units are sticking down, regardless of how strong the glue or hairspray claims to be, is because I have been applying a oil daily onto my hairline and scalp to help revive my hair. So once I start sweating, that oil starts to seep downwards, and then that's how my units become unhinged or unhinged. We're gonna just say they come unhinged. So that was my issue. It's not actually the hairspray, it was actually the oils that I use just to promote hair growth and stimulate hair growth. Now I'm just gonna go ahead in and refresh these curls just a little bit, especially because I went ahead and reparted the unit on the opposite side, or basically on the right side. But even if I had not reparted it, I would have still refreshed the curls, only because I just feel like once I use my curling iron, it always gives like refreshed curls. It helps balance and soften the hair, and it also is curled the way that I prefer. But if you are ready to run out the door as soon as you get this unit, girl, then you can definitely just throw it on and go. It really doesn't need any type of adhesive like glue or hairspray. If you're one of those who do not know how to use the hairspray or just choose not to, you definitely could put this unit on without any type of adhesive. Now, sometimes I don't like my curls too tight, and I should have maybe brushed some out, but over time they will definitely fall. That's the one thing about silky hair texture. The curls will definitely drop within over time. But I like the fact that they did use different color blondes for the highlights of this unit, and I do like the hair color as well. It's more or less like this medium color brown, color number 2 in my opinion. Now, if you don't like your unit so long, UNice Hair does offer different lengths as well. And if you don't want to check their Amazon site out, you can definitely check them out on AliExpress along with their website. They have many units to choose from, and all of them are affordable, girl. We slaying on a beauty budget over here, okay? Look at this. They have really evolved. I love their units. Very natural looking, very realistic, and definitely very, very affordable. Y'all know I have worked with UNice Hair for some time here, and when I tell y'all I could definitely vouch for them, girl, I can vouch for them. If you're looking for units with drawstrings, they got you covered. If you're looking for units with fake scalps, they got you covered. If you're looking for affordable, beautiful units, UNice Hair definitely has you covered. I will link everything in the description for you ladies for this unit right here. But I feel like she's really, really pretty. There are many ways that you can restyle her. I have my certain type of way that I like to curl my unit, and I just really wanted to show you guys what she looked like parted on the right side. No baby hair is necessary if you choose not. As you guys can see, I have very, very little. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up if you like it, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.